Today's video is going to be a little short video, but an important video for some people that might not know if they have a four-wheel drive vehicle or not. It may sound funny, but a lot of new SUVs, they only come front-wheel drive. And some people assume when they buy the truck that it has all-wheel drive because it's an SUV body, and that's not the case. I just had a neighbor that has a Honda Civic and thought it was all-wheel drive. And I showed her that it wasn't. It's very simple to do. You don't look for gauges inside, traction control. A car with front wheel drive can easily have traction control. That does not mean anything. If you don't know anything about cars, I'm going to show you when I get back to my driveway the easiest way to check, especially on road conditions like this where people are spinning out of control. Not necessarily four-wheel drive is going to help you spin out of control, but it's a little bit better grip starting, taking off in the snow and anything. So I'm going to show you how to check very easily. Okay, I have this car on the lift for demonstration, so it's easier. But what you can do, the easiest way to see if you have all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, if you're not sure, is look under the back of the car, look near the wheels, in this area. If you don't see an axle here, and there would be like a box here, which is the differential, and an axle to the wheels, you have front wheel drive. You do not have all-wheel drive. Okay? Let me show you again. See the center? The axle will be right there. Now I'm going to show you an all-wheel drive car and show you what that looks like. See, you look under, there's nothing here, it's flat. No drive shaft over there. But the easiest thing is you just look in the center of the wheels, in the back of the wheel. You don't see no drive shaft, you don't have all-wheel drive. Okay, now we're under a car that has all-wheel drive. You see, right in the center right here, that's a differential. Okay, but the easiest way is you look over here and you see that drive shaft right there. Let me click it. Right here. Okay. See the drive shaft? It's not, okay. Right here. It's all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. All right. So for the layman, and you see on that side, you see where the little white sticker is? See the axle? That's how you know you have all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. Basically, if the car is driven with all four wheels, okay? Whether you have four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, that's something different, but at least you know if you have it or you don't. Okay, guys, Motorcarnut, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Any questions, leave them on the bottom. Thank you. Bye.